E aí galerinha, sejam bem-vindos a mais uma gameplay de Grand Theft Auto 5, ou famoso GTA V. Peço para quem estiver chegando, deixem um like, não vai custar nada. Participem da comunidade do Discord, apoiem o canal, quem quiser. E a galera que estiver visualizando na Twitch aí, anotem aí Ronaldo Carlos Televisão Gameplay, que é o meu canal do YouTube principal. Lembrou? Ronaldo Carlos Televisão Gameplay. Bom galera, hoje recado dado como sempre, né, no começo da introdução do vídeo. Hoje aqui nós vai continuar as aventuras de Michael e Franklin em GTA V. Nós vai continuar aqui as missões de onde nós parou, a parte 3. Quando o jogo vai carregando, né, jogando já no Xbox, no meu console Xbox One Slim. GTA V é uma continuação, né, do universo HD. Eu joguei, pra quem quiser ver as franquias GTA que eu joguei antes, no canal aí também tem toda a playlist do GTA 4 junto com as DLCs que eu joguei. Beleza? Agora nós vai continuar aqui no último ponto de partida, não parou pra jogar o GTA V. Então sentem aí, curtam, peguem uma pipoca e vamos curtir a gameplay. Hoje nós vai continuar as aventuras aqui de Michael e Franklin. Demorando para carregar, né? Que é no HD que tá. Demorando para carregar. Hoje eu sei que o SSD ele carrega mais rápido. Vamos lá. E tem pendengue visualizado nessa atual data. Tô jogando no 7 de setembro, domingão em casa. Vamos lá. Tá aqui com o Michael.
What are you
Olha
doing
esse
here?
cara.
Everybody in this house hates you.
Yeah, well, that makes
Ela
us
tá
all
bêbada.
even.
Thank you.
Ah, isso aqui é evento aleatório. Ah, isso aqui é secreto. Ah, cara, que da hora. Oh, isso aqui, gravem isso em cena da hora, secreta.
I really
Cara,
love you,
vocês viram?
Dad. You're the best dad in the whole
Cara, que da hora.
world.
Ah, you make me so
Isso aqui é
proud.
Isso aqui é uma das cenas secretas do GTA V. Cara, que da hora, velho. Com a Tracy, tá vendo a interação do jogo, cara? GTA V não é só mundo aberto fazer missões. Isso aqui que é da hora, cara, é raridade. Todos esses anos jogando GTA V, primeira vez que eu vejo uma cena dessa com a Tracy assim, na escadaria. Ah, o quarto da Tracy. Isso nós tá falando de um jogo de 2013, galera. Imagina quando lançar GTA. Vamos ligar a TV aqui no... Ah, o Michael na missão passada estragou o monitor da TV do time. A casa do Jimmy, o quarto. Dá pra fumar um narguilé aqui, deixa eu ver um objeto. Aqui, ó. Isso mesmo. Ó o bagulho, vamos fumar. Nossa. Um baseado. Fica doidão, hein, Michael? Opa!
This is completely horrible in every conceivable way, and it is all I deserve in the...
Vamos pro Franklin. Nem sei se eu vou fazer aquela missão. Eu quero sair com o Jimmy pra ver o rolê.
Man, I'm drunk. But shit, I ain't getting drunker.
Hey, Shelley.
Voltei aqui, galera, que tava uma pausa aqui. Pera aí. Vou chamar o Jimmy. Deixa eu ver aqui. Dar um passeio.
Jimmy, what's up, man? It's Frank. You wanna kick it with me or what?
Yeah, that sounds awesome. Just like, call me if you need to cancel, or don't, or whatever.
It's happening, man.
Prostitutas. Vou fazer o primeiro passeio rolê aqui. Com o Jimmy. Aqui, ó. Opa! Duas e 50 da manhã.
Yo, let's bounce.
Olha o Jimmy aqui, vamos de moto.
There he is, my main dude. Hey, it's good to hang out, you know, like,
Tá de
properly.
verdade, mano.
Yeah, for sure, man.
Despite you stealing my car and everything, I really feel a connection, man. Like we're
Tá
brothers.
roubando o carro lá.
Look, man. Firstly, I ain't steal your fucking car. And secondly, let's not get ahead of ourselves, all right? We just hanging out, not trying to adopt each other.
I didn't mean it like that. I just meant, well, what?
Vamos ver aqui então. Ah, o Jimmy. Quais atividades dá pra fazer aqui no rolê?
Man, so that's why you and my dad are friends, because you're both moody
São
with holes in
discussões
ass wipes.
mentais.
What? You probably do therapy together.
What the fuck you talking about, homie?
Sorry,
Tá
it's
falando,
just,
mano.
it's, shit. I'm not crying, okay? I'm not crying. It's allergies. I get allergies. Fuck you. Shit. Where's my
Cara,
antihistamine?
tá doido?
Whatever, dog. Look, let's just try to have a good time, all right?
Fuck you. Don't laugh at me. I don't take the antihistamine. My throat might close up and maybe I could die.
Look, man, okay, man, look. Let's try to avoid that, all right?
Vamos beber.
Yeah, boy. I'm gangster now. Give it up for F-Dog and Big J.
Man, shut the fuck up.
Hey, I can handle my liquor, seriously. I drink a lot, and I don't usually shit the bed.
That's good.
Gino
Do
bêbado.
you shit the bed, homie?
Por Los Santos.
Shut up.
Bed shitter, I knew it.
Tô sem dinheiro quase, cara. 81 dólares na carteira. Acabou, quase fui atropelado. Vamos lá.
Hey, get your ass out of here, bro.
Good times, homie.
Vamos fazer a missão focar no Michael que conheceu o Lester. Ó, o Michael já tá aqui perto. Vamos conhecer o Lester Krabs. É, galera. Lester. Né? Ah, bater na porta.
Fuck you, Lester. You don't
Vai
let me
foder o
interrupt.
Lester. Vai ou não vai? Me deixa. Só um minuto.
I was wondering when you'd show up.
I was dead.
Praise be. Guess you weren't very
A
dead.
casa do Lester.
You need my help.
Você precisa da minha
How
ajuda.
do you know?
Because you came
Como
here.
você sabe? Porque
Why else
você
would
veio.
you?
Ah,
I haven't been a good friend for you, Lester. I know that.
eu sei disso.
And you're gonna make it up to me by doing
Vai me
whatever
fazer
I
pra eles
ask.
fazendo tudo o que eu quiser.
Or rather, I mean,
Quer dizer,
I need something done. You need to know
diz
something.
uma
So
coisa seja
why not help
feita.
each
Por que
other?
não ajudamos um ao
I
outro?
gotta make some dough.
Eles ganham uma grana.
You're back in the game.
I guess.
Voltou ativa? Sim, acho que sim.
Look, Lester, about what
Olha,
happened
Lester,
before.
a respeito do que.
I know you never mentioned my name.
Eu sei que você mencionou
not
meu
on
nome.
any
Sei que não
lists
entrou em nenhuma
anywhere.
lista de nenhum
I know you
lugar.
never betrayed me. As for you, you gotta figure that I never told anyone. That instead of gently decomposing in North Yankton, you're angrily decomposing
Em North Yankton,
in Los
tá?
Santos
Lembrando
with a
passar Los
shrink
Santos como psicólogo.
and a wife who don't love you no more.
Yeah.
Well, since you put it like
Hey,
that.
shut up a minute. I'm getting an iFind alert. That little college boy sack of shit,
Aquele-
phony fuck.
Who? Jay Norris?
O Jay
Yes,
Norris?
that fuck is a lying bastard. I've read his fucking emails. He's a fucking cheat.
Certo.
I heard him say that he saved America.
What, by outsourcing all the jobs?
Ok,
By
quando...
selling us little bits of plastic restricted access shit? Well, now it's payback time, you lying turd.
terceirizou.
The hell are you talking about?
You are about to get that white-collar gig that you always dreamed of,
Temos
Mike.
Lester Krebs.
Here, take this fashionably retro weird for a 45-year-old man, but I cannot let go of the 1980s bag, and dress yourself up like a billionaire math genius with low-level Asperger's. You better be ready for the minor glitch of your repulsive pseudo-messianic life.
Okay, Lester.
Get out of here! Call me when you're ready. We are about to put the Darwinism back in social Darwinism, and brother, it's gonna be fun.
You fucking kidding me? I'm a
Tá de
bank robber,
brincadeira
not
comigo,
a
eu sou um
web
ladrão de
designer.
mão,
so we'll go
não
robbing
é web
soon.
designer.
I'll find something. Just like the old days.
Vamos lá. Oh, o Lester. Vai até a loja
As much as I
suporte.
love catching up,
Cheio de hack, computador, é a casa dele, do Lester. Aqui é painel
please
zumbi.
excuse me. I've got something shameful to do.
Ah, tá.
Was there something else?
Tem vários posters aqui, ó. Nível de detalhe, não prestar atenção. Ah, o importante Race aqui, o
I'd
herói.
offer you something, but you were just leaving.
O Lester é um hacker, talentoso.
As much as I love catching up,
Então vamos sair daqui, da cá. Opa.
please excuse me. I've got something shameful to do.
Ó, agora eu não entro mais, tá vendo? No nosso carro. Essa parte da cidade, primeira vez que tô vindo também, né? Opa! Los Santos é enorme. Eu conheço já todas as ruas aqui, decorei todo o mapa GTA V. É legal a rádio lá por dentro, você toca, ó. Qual botão é? Olha lá, tá vendo? Será que no GTA 6 você vai poder interagir dentro do carro? Ah, vai ter muita coisa, né? Nível de detalhes a mais. Cabe o jogador escolher em primeira pessoa ou em primeira pessoa. Opa! Não! Que horas são no jogo? 8h30 da manhã. Primeiro mês, estamos vindo na loja de roupa aqui.
Yo, bitch out here scandalous, bro. I'm trying
Quando tem dinheiro.
Excuse me.
Com licença.
I got this interview at this tech company. I'm thinking I need something, I don't know.
Bem-vindo a subúrbio.
Youthful.
Lost your job and the world's moved on, huh? That's too bad.
I didn't lose my job.
Job.
Of course. Got too old, got outsourced. Same thing happened to my dad. Now you gotta fit in with a different generation. Hmm? What about a vest and some cargo shorts?
Ok.
Alright.
Vamos ver que roupa tem aqui. Ah, eu posso escolher a roupa que eu quiser aqui, deixa eu ver. Ah, essa aqui gostei. Ah, junto com o tênis. Gosto do modelo.
Tragic, but they'll do.
Vamos ver. Ah, esse foi, gostei.
Dignity aside, I think that might just work. Good luck at the interview.
Ali eu tô a caráter, Luiz. Vou explorar mais essa loja com o tempo. Ih, o carro meu tá todo arranhado. Ai,
So
sai da
you're gonna
frente.
drive into me?
Ligando pro Lester, adicionando o número dele.
Michael,
I'm all dressed up. Now, you wanna run me through this thing?
the prototype is somewhere in the Life Invader office. Find it and fit it with the device in
Enquanto
your
eu
bag.
conecto ao
They just
dispositivo.
gonna let me in?
Why wouldn't they if you look the part? Hang around till someone opens the door and act entitled.
Fine.
Alright, alright. Puta que pariu. Vá para a entrada dos fundos. Live Invader. Aqui. Essa missão é da hora. Ô Michael.
Hey.
Chegando com esse aí, futuramente eu acho que vai te assinar como coach. Vai pedir.
PM's pushing for more functionality. But we are maxed. I mean, if anything,
Nós
we
já
have
estamos no
strict
limite.
features, especially if we plan on releasing a fully priced update a year later. Oh,
Ah,
you know, it's.
Yeah, well, you gotta
Tem que
do what
fazer
you
o que
gotta
for
do.
preciso.
You know?
I mean, we're talking
Quer
beta
dizer,
in
estamos
Q4,
falando de
maybe
versão beta no
Q3.
último, penúltimo semestre.
Milestones are one thing, but when design is changing its mind seemingly overnight, there's not much you can do about it. You know what I'm saying?
My union
Olha o
allocated smoke
intervalo do
breaks
sindicato,
about
não
up,
consegue
so...
para formar essa
Wait
quase
a minute.
acabou.
Do I know you?
Eu te conheço, olha lá.
Yeah, I think so.
Conhece, eu acho.
IT-temp, right?
Você é estagiário de TI, não é?
You know,
Opa!
you gotta do something for me.
You gotta put it in
Mal
a
conhece já
ticket.
tá deixando eu entrar na
No.
empresa.
I'd like to keep this one out of the database, if you know what I mean.
Vai dar merda. Vamos ver, tá pra entrar aqui.
IT guy, que pasa, amigo? All this natural light blinding you?
Ah, estoque da empresa lá em venda. Isso aqui, cara, eu acho que quando fizeram o jogo, esses interiores aqui, tem pouco um mapa. O GTA V. Isso aqui eu acho que era pra utilizar alguma coisa. Esse espaço não iam fazer à toa.
I'm totally becoming a tech evangelist when the big boys vest. Maybe not even tech. I'll evangelize anything. We really need to, like, draw a line under this issue, dude.
Calma aí, cara. Banheiro aqui. Será que dá pra pegar? Ah, tomar uma refri. Olha lá, é em primeira pessoa. É recepcionista. Vamos subir as escadas aqui.
Oh, hi.
Chill out on the beanbag. Marcus will be right out.
Oh, I'm gonna take a normal chair. I have a terrible back.
Os funcionários estão jogando.
Really? The brief was for a relaxed,
Horário de
creative
trabalho,
individual, the kind that preferred a beanbag over a real chair. But if you're so bound to social restraints...
No. I'm not restrained at all. I'll take a seat.
See? You're relaxed already. Let the creative juices flow.
Tá com dor de barriga, meu amigo.
Kaboom! You just
Olha lá
got
onde tá
home, my
relâmpago.
friend.
Primeiro não tá pra jogar aqui. Horário, escritório, local de trabalho.
Here you go. If you
Pronto,
guys
olha lá.
let me use the OS I requested, this wouldn't be a problem.
Uou!
Ah, you've been at it on this
Nossa,
PC.
peitões, coisa.
Got any antivirus software?
I think so. Behind this junk on the left. Clicked an NSFW link, bro. Get me on the ass.
Yeah, not safe for work, huh? You know, my son's
Tá
computer
cheio de
runs
vírus
into the
aqui.
same kind of problems. I'll close the pop-ups, see what I can do.
Your son codes? Start him early, bro. You write your best stuff in your tweens. After that, it's just a hack job.
Não faz surgir que essa janela tá cheia de vírus.
Might I tempt you with some organic chow or a fair trade Java? I need to write some product, Brohim. I'm feeling the itch.
Give me a second, will you? And we scan.
Escanear.
Scanning.
Ah, antivírus, né? Executar é fácil aqui.
This place is fueled by Java, bro.
O Java Browser.
See, I don't have the manual on me. And that should do it.
Isso deve estar
Why
um
don't you
jeito
try and
que
keep things strictly safe for work
estritamente
from
seguras
now
para o
on.
trabalho de agora em diante. Olha o
Hey,
cara.
have you seen the
Cê é doido.
prototype in the demo room? When Norris announces it at the keynote?
O Norris
minds
fizeram o
are
anúncio,
gonna
tá
blow.
do novo celular plataforma.
They are.
Sim, é verdade.
When we go mobile, we'll be able to track all their movements. That's so cool.
Looking at you two, I think it's safe to say this nation is
Essa nação tá
fucked,
fudindo, não.
isn't it?
Jay thinks being a quirky douche boosts
Tem
creativity.
Norris, né?
He's this close to installing a ball pit. He's become such a cock. If we don't keep
É uma
smiling,
missão nós tá
the
fazendo pro
cameras will
leste.
pick it up, and we'll be outsourced to Mali.
Ele é o dono da empresa.
Look at this guy. We should be
E
retiring.
o Michael entra
him,
fácil
not
assim, sem
firing
ninguém
him.
questioná-lo. O povo tudo idiota, mais alto grau, né, quem trabalha aqui. Ele vai entrar na sala de servidor, olha lá. Data center da empresa, puta que pariu, fácil. Oh, fucking nice. Vai colocar, implantar um chip, Amanda do leste.
Oh, nice.
Nice. Isso aqui são servidores da vida real, galera. Onde a internet toda fica acomodada aqui, ó. As prateleiras gigantescas de máquinas.
Dude, when it blue screens again, you're my guy. Send me the
Bye now.
file.
Falou, galera aí. Falou, guys.
When did we start hiring dinosaurs? I mean, keep wandering around like this and they'll think you got dementia.
Você é demente.
Don't hassle me, I'm talking.
Vim fazer o serviço e vou embora. Tchau, obrigado.
Sit. Foot bag, dig fast.
Ow!
Olha só, rapaz.
Come on, you're gonna have to learn the foot bag if you
São
want to get a
todos
job.
de
here, okay?
mais
Follow
alto
me.
grau, os funcionários da Live Vendor.
Oh. How's your air guitar?
Oh,
All right, follow me.
okay.
Some a-hole drank my effing hemp milk. There was a totally non-passive-aggressive note on it. If I drown in
Estão brigando por causa de café. Cadê a tradução?
what literate effing seas.
Abre a porta aí, recepciona.
Book your time by emailing the HR department.
Hold on, I'll buzz you out.
Valeu.
I'm carrying a bunch of sweet nothings in my pocket for a little pick-me-up.
Assista a apresentação na casa do Michael. Cadê meu carro?
Hey, Michael, hold on. Domed! I
Oh,
domed
no.
ya!
Lester, the thing's in the prototype. I'm going home to watch the keynote.
Teabag time, my friend!
Lester, did you hear me?
Lester.
Are you playing that game?
Yeah, sorry, the phone is rigged.
Sorry.
Hey, what's your problem? You don't like shooters?
They're all the same. Besides, you know me. I'm a movie guy.
É cinema
Classic
clássico
Vinewood.
Vinewood.
Classic Vinewood ended 30 years ago.
Acabar há 30
Now
anos.
it's just superheroes, romantic comedies, and remakes, none of which interest me.
Hey, I believe this country can still make interesting movies. There's no better way to define American
Legal.
life than a 2-hour plot in which the hero looks good and defeats evil.
Now, whatever you say, enjoy yesterday. Anyway, just call the device after he's unveiled it,
Depois que
and
ele
then
tiver
we'll
sido
talk.
anunciado, aí conversamos. É, vamos ver a apresentação de Jane Norris, no caso. Essa missão ainda é assim. Nossa. O portão abre automático. Ah, aquele é o veículo da Trace. Já tá em casa. Vamos lá. Vamos ao desgrama. Ah, a Trace está assistindo. Eu tô voltando aqui. Caiu a transmissão, foi interrompida. Vai ter um pequeno corte esse vídeo. Porque aí é um saco, né, cara? Hoje nós vai continuar aqui. Pera aí. Continuar aqui porque teve um pequeno corte. Vamos continuar onde nós parou.
We have put 1 billion people's private data in the public domain, and we have milked every penny we could in the process. And we have
Ih,
one
pai, o
of the
Jay Norris
youngest
vai.
workforces in the world. An average age
Vai coisar o
only
telefone, vamos ver.
14.4 years. That's not just impressive, it's revolutionary.
Revolutionary.
Today, right here, we're about to make the next step. Prepare to witness
Prepare-se para testemunhar
the future.
o futuro.
The Life Invader
O
mobile
dispositivo
device.
móvel Live Invader.
Yes, we've invented something no one else has ever thought of. A small, personal, computerized device. Now you're going to be able to stay docked
Amanda,
24/7.
elegível.
On the bus,
Dave,
you
olha lá,
can
Dave
dock.
North,
On
Franklin,
the subway,
Jay Norris,
stay docked.
Jimmy,
You can be docked
Beth,
at
Martin
home.
Madrazo,
And at the same
Dave.
time, you're docking with some kids at the public pool. Oh, hold on a second. I think
Espera
someone's
pouquinho.
trying to dock with me. Hello?
Alô? Nossa, cara!
Oh, Jesus! Whoa!
Lester, uou! Caraca, velho. Nossa! Visão comprida. Mike vai ligar pro Lester o quanto antes.
Lester, that was heavy. You watching the news?
I don't have to. I'm
Uma coisa
watching the
de
markets.
explodiu na
I'll be
bolsa de valor. Vou
trading
aplicar
pure
tudo
alpha
alva
till
puro até
close.
All right. Hey, about that other thing. You know the
Serviço.
score.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
Vamos
Let's do
lá.
it. Put on a suit, look somewhat professional, and meet me at my warehouse off the LS freeway. Oh, and I'm about to email you a
Pode
link for
mandar
the
mensagem de
exchange.
texto com
You can
link.
put in some
Bolsa de
trades
valor.
of your
Você pode
own.
colocar
I'm
suas
trying to stay off the day trading. But maybe I'll take a look.
Ah, bolsa de valores. Vamos ver a internet. Bolsa de valores é aqui, eu acho. Esse é o mercado de ações, compra e venda. Compra e venda ações. Deixa eu ver. Esse é o nome do banco lá, cara. Ah, tem um doutor lá pra ir, cara. Vou fazer essa missão. Vamos com essa roupa. Ah, não tem ninguém em casa. Vamos lá pro doutor psiquiatra do Michael. Põe o GPS. Já conhecemos o Lester. Fiz $1.356 na conta. Puta que pariu. Oh shit. A última vez que vimos um psicólogo médico aqui, o Mike foi no começo do jogo. Não conheceu. Descer e conhecer o consultório aqui do Dr. Finlander, eu acho que é.
Come in, Michael.
E entre, Michael.
Thanks, Doc.
How have you been?
Oh, good. Things been good.
Bem, as coisas têm andado bem.
No.
Caos, olha lá.
Things ain't been good. Things been a
Não,
far fucking way from
as
good.
coisas andam bem longe pra
I've
caralho.
been acting out. That's what you would call it, I think, right? Acting out.
So
Aprontar.
what exactly has been the problem?
I'm not good, Doc.
Não anda bem,
good
doutor.
at all.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Sinto ouvir
Tell me.
isso. Me conta.
I've been
É.
caught up in the bullshit, Doc.
A merda toda, doutor.
Ever since I pulled this
Desde que eu
Mexican's
veio
house
aquela
up
casa do
hill,
mexicano
it's been
barranca
nothing
abaixo,
but
não faço mais nada além
killing and robbing.
roubar e matar.
And I hooked up with this old associate.
Eu me ajudei
I
com um
even got a
velho
new one,
sócio
too.
e até
This
arranjei
kid.
um outro novo também, esse rapaz.
Not like
Com
has similar
propensões semelhantes, eu acho. Sabe? Meu Deus.
Now everything's out of control.
O pai do
And
Frank,
it's
né?
not by choice. You know, I just
Eu só.
my life just got away
A
from
minha
me.
vida simplesmente fugiu de mim.
That sounds a lot like denial, Michael. This is really worrying.
Isso é realmente preocupante.
So, any other
Tem outro
violent
impulso
urges,
violento,
friend?
amigo?
Yeah. Even on the way over here, I think I killed someone. And you know what? I don't care.
Nem me importa.
I'm sick, Doc. I'm a sick, hypocritical fuck.
I agree. Which is why you should really bulk buy a batch of sessions.
Deixa eu ver.
Any
Aí, se-
input?
Algum comentário?
I really just want to be happy, Doc.
Só quero ser feliz, doutor. Isso não é tão ruim
Okay.
assim.
And what about your
Os
sexual
comportamentos
behavior?
sexuais.
I've been a really good boy, Doc. Really good. Not one problem.
Doc,
I'm glad to hear that. Really
tô
glad.
feliz de ouvir isso.
Keep working it. This is great.
Isso é
I
ótimo.
just ain't myself right now, Doc.
Não tô
Not
sendo
since
eu
my
mesmo
life
ultimamente,
went
doutor.
crazy.
Não desde que minha vida
You're plainly
enlouqueceu.
addicted to chaos.
Well, I'm not sure that's true, Doc.
Eu não sei se é bem assim,
I'm
doutor.
not exactly enjoying myself here. You know, what I'm addicted to.
Eu sou um
is not
viciado
getting
mesmo.
killed. But for some reason I keep getting my
Olha
ass into
como fico me
situations
metendo em umas
where getting
situações em
killed
que
is a little hard to
é tão
avoid.
difícil não me matarem.
What about the people
E as
you
pessoas que
kill?
você
Yeah,
mata.
but that's not for fun.
Isso não é por...
Sure.
Você tem certeza?
What exactly are you asking, Doc?
O que exatamente você está perguntando, doutor?
Am I a psychopath who
Um
enjoys
psicopata
suffering?
que gosta de
Or a
sofrimento?
sociopath who doesn't give a flying
Um
fuck
sociopata
about
que
the
está se
rules?
fudendo
Come on,
pelas
we've already
regras.
had this conversation, right? I'm neither. I'm just a
Não
fat,
sou nenhum dos dois,
washed
sou
up
só um
jock who can't
ex-atleta
get his
gordo
head
que não
around the fact that
consegue
his high school football career didn't play out the way that
americano na
he planned.
escola.
The only way I'm content and
E
competent
ser
is with
competente
a gun in my
é com uma arma
hand
na
or a
mão.
price on my head.
You're very defensive,
Está
Michael.
muito defensivo,
Do you
Michael.
consider yourself a failure?
I pay you to listen to my
Eu pago
problems.
você para ouvir os meus
I'm
problemas.
rich, I'm miserable.
Sou rico, sou infeliz.
Half the time my kids can't stand me, the other
Os meus
half
filhos
my
não me
wife is
coisam, a outra
cheating
metade
on
minha
me.
mulher tá me
I kill
chifrando.
people without remorse, Doc.
Mato pessoas sem remorso, doutor.
I'm pretty average for this town.
Porra, até que eu sou normal para as leões dessa cidade.
That's the shot.
Espera aí, é isso? Olha lá.
I think I'm having
Eu
a
acho que
breakthrough
fiz
here,
uma
Doc.
descoberta
This-
óptica.
I think, no, I know that I'm just terrified that I'm
Sure
gonna...
you are,
Ah.
but
Tenho certeza
that's
que sim,
really
amigo.
all we have time for.
Já acabou a
See
terapia?
you next time.
Okay.
Ok. Dr. Freelander. Vamos pro Franklin. Ah, tá aqui perto.
This motherfucker clean.
Vamos pra casa da tia do Frank. Na praia Los Santos. Puta porra!
Man, fuck this shit.
Minha moto foi parar na moita. Olha o sangue, cara. Essa é a moto que roubamos do... Sim, meu. Tá da frente. Vamos lá. Cuidado, Frank. Ah, as portas.
Just call me when you're ready.
Vamos lá entrar pra casa. À noite. Nossa, passou um dia. Nossa, a tia do Frank tá gritando.
I don't wanna know.
Franklin!
What the
Threat
fuck?
na área.
I mean, what the hell going on here?
Wait a minute,
Threat.
Franklin, what
Olha lá.
are you doing here?
I live here. This half my house too.
So you say? Anyway, Magenta is reinvigorating my femininity. So make yourself scarce, boy. Go. Go.
With pleasure.
Go.
Com prazer, olha lá.
And stay out of
Frank
trouble.
não aguenta sua tia.
Yeah, yeah.
Droga.
Bitch, you ain't no more.
Olha lá, Martin apareceu.
Gangsta shit,
Threat.
nigga. Look who's back. What's happening with it, man?
Oh, no, show some respect here,
No,
nigga.
no,
The man
gangue,
he couldn't
lá,
hold
da
down
gangue.
his back. Come on now.
Damn, man. I gotta spend my day with another middle-aged fool trying to recapture his youth.
What this fool just say?
I missed you, dawg.
Oh, you miss me, huh?
Nah, I ain't missed you.
Huh.
Your ass could have stayed gone for good. So I fucked your girl, mugged your mom. Better
Motherfucker.
yet, I ain't thought about your ass in years.
You got jokes now, huh? Hey, but I see you doing well
Eu tô
for
vendo que você
yourself.
tá se virando,
Check that
ó.
on out.
Shit,
Só
I'm
com a
doing
sua
just
casa.
fine.
That's what I hear.
É o
But I
Stretch,
know
olha
some
lá.
sweet boys up in the pen that got bigger balls than
You
you.
been doing your time looking at sweet boy
Man,
balls?
boss balls,
Yeah, it's
cara.
good to have confirmation.
This funny fuck. Why you keep hanging around
Por
this
que você
clown,
continua andando com
L?
esse palhaço
Shake
Lamar?
this fool,
Olha lá.
We from
man.
the same set, Stretch.
É da mesma
Why
quebrada,
y'all niggas
Stretch.
can't get along? Y'all been doing this shit for
Você faz
years,
isso há
man.
anos, cara.
You know what, dawg? It's good you back home.
É bom que você
Glad you
voltou.
here. Missed you, boy. And
Saudade,
definitely
brother.
got hit up
Você
inside.
deu atrás das
Hey,
grades.
yo, motherfucker,
Ei.
I know little niggas like you been turned out on
Olha lá,
the daily.
por
Talking
dados.
about being hit up, nigga. I
Falando
swear,
sobre
man,
dar cara,
you ain't got
fala
no
sério.
motherfucking respect.
Motherfucker, I got respect for reality.
Reality?
Verdade, filho da
All
puta.
right.
Reality.
All right,
olha
you keep
lá.
thinking
Alright.
that.
Continua
Just keep
pensando assim,
thinking
ó.
that, nigga. Shit, you gonna get yours.
Fuck you.
I
Vai
swear,
se
man.
fuder.
Presents, come on, man. Cool out. Chill,
Cash,
man.
calma aí,
This
que porra, meu
motherfucker get
irmão.
on my goddamn
Tá me
nerves.
dando
Nigga
os
get on
nervos.
my nerves too, man. Part of the nigga charm,
Parte do
man.
charme
Yeah,
do
come on,
mano,
man.
cara.
Let's bust a move, man. You gonna drive or what,
Você vai atingir ou não,
Drive
Playboy?
where?
Atingir pra onde?
Pick up this heat, nigga.
Catar o berro.
Business,
Droga,
nigga.
né? Negócio, mano.
Real business. Come on, y'all niggas act like girls. Shit.
Not me.
É
Shit.
bilheta de gangue.
Ammunition, come on, let's go.
Shit, homie, you gonna drop all
Ah,
that
meu irmão,
bread
você
on
vai
that
largar
gear,
essa
you might
bolada.
as well get a haircut too.
Fucking crazy-haired microphone motherfucker.
I got a microphone I can shove right in your prison
Tem
pocket.
microfone pra
Nigga,
enfiar
you
no
walk
seu
like
buraco.
you keister and shit anyway.
You know, when I went away, you punks was little homies, and I was a big homie. Now I'm out, and you little homies is big homies. But you still gotta
Olha o
respect.
stash.
Man, what the fuck this nigga
Acabou de sair
talking
da
about?
cadeia.
We all big homies, but he bigger, right?
Exactly.
Lamar.
Man, that's some fucking pyramid scheme bullshit.
Pyramids is good, man. Illuminati pharaoh shit. As soon as we get this shit, as soon as we get paid, homie.
As soon as we get incarcerated, more likely.
A gente vai preso logo. Ammunition. Eu já vim aqui, né?
Ammunition. Armorer to the stars.
Hey, what's up, man?
Firing range is in the back, and all our weapons are customizable.
Oh, hell
Elas são
yeah.
personalizáveis.
Trick your blam blam out up in here.
Quit all that. Just straight up artillery, man, all right?
Hey, would y'all shut the fuck up? I got this, you clowns.
All right, homie, get your shotgun with the flashlight modification.
Hey, you got cash?
Oh, you flat, homie? I would think you was fiending, but ain't no fiends that fat. Take this cheese, you old broke-ass bitch. Oh, choosy-ass only child motherfucker.
Why the fuck am I the only one buying this?
Cause we got sheets, homie. Now shut the fuck up and come on.
Ah, não tem nem dinheiro pra comprar um colete. Tô pobre,
Hey,
pobre.
listen up. I want to be crystal fucking clear. Nothing he buying got anything to do with us.
Yeah, you know, we got felonies and we ain't touching shit.
I ain't even looking.
O Frank não teve dinheiro suficiente pra comprar a escopeta e a lanterna. Puta que pariu. A missão falhou. Ai, ai. Tem que comprar essa porcaria. Eu preciso de ganha.
All right, homie, get your shotgun with the flashlight modification.
Hey, you got cash?
Oh, you flat, homie? I would think you was fiending, but ain't no fiends that fat. Take this cheese, you old broke-ass bitch. Now, just let me reinstate, man, that the purchases made by this man ain't got nothing to do with the two gentlemen of felon nature.
That's right. Yeah.
Now, let's go bust on some niggas. Man, we got some recycling to do. Come on, man. Send her off friends in La Puerta.
Tá lá, tá bom. A lanterna.
You got some cans on some shit I don't know about?
Nah, homie. We got ourselves a drug deal.
Why do I get the feeling this gonna be one of them deals gone wrong type situation?
Vamos lá.
Now, see, that's that.
O lugar onde é? Deixa eu ver. Ah, é aqui. Lugar.
Negative attitude Lamar was telling me about, nigga. You ain't get.
Ah, não, polícia.
Yeah, you driving like a mark.
Já despistou? Já que demora.
Now see, that's that negative attitude Lamar was telling me about, nigga. You ain't getting nowhere thinking like that.
The power of positive bullshit. You ought to be clenching your motherfucking vagina muscles with my aunt, nigga.
After his bid, it probably needs tightening up.
This ain't new age shit. It's fact. You get what you get, fool.
You been getting dick, but you ain't giving it, huh?
Some Mark talk like that to an OG? CGF has changed, man. No wonder the hood is so lame right now.
Speaking of change, Lamar's been meaning to talk to you, homie.
Nah, not now, homie.
What's happening?
It's nothing, my nigga, nothing, you know. Just some ideas, that's all.
Man, ideas ain't your strong suit, so put it on me.
It's nothing real, homie. When it's something real, we'll talk.
Bullshit, man. It's realer than this crap.
Bullshit, man.
Hey, we meeting them here.
Ah, encostar aqui.
Man, how'd you find this place?
The homie set it up.
This the kind of spot where we ain't gonna be disturbed.
That's what the fuck worries me. I'm more of a hide in the plain sight type of nigga.
No.
Vai ser uma antiga fábrica aqui, né? Vamos lá. Ah,
what's up, fool?
What up with
it? Got that shit, nigga, with a paper.
Eu lembro desse cara que se
Lord Davis. What's up, boy? Everything cool? Hold on, man. What the fuck, man? You was just kidnapping this nigga.
Oh, come on, dog.
Pô, essa Gael vem logo,
My
mano.
nigga just got out crossing lines, did some time with some of your folks.
Hey, look,
Nice
this
dress.
ain't about you, man.
What?
You know these niggas done
Yo, what the fuck this trick talking about, man?
A treta tá falando.
Somebody see on us. They putting a nigga on TV, man, about some gang intervention.
Ih, rapaz,
Hey, this
a
ain't
gangue
the police,
rival.
dog. This some ballers bullshit.
É a gangue dos balas.
Hey, we been set up, nigga. This shit fucked up. You, nigga.
Vai. Aí, atirou. Ela
Oh, bitch ass ballers.
puxou onde dos balas.
Come on, through here.
É treta de gangue. Não lembro qual gangue é o Frank, é da gangue do... É a gangue rival dos balas.
I can see that.
Lamar, what the fuck you get us into?
You the fool wanted to make money. This shit intertwined.
Tá tenso aqui, hein?
Me, homie, keep a hit this.
Damn.
Fuck you.
You going first next time, no fool.
Shit, nigga, then we all be dead.
Not me, nigga.
Rash na área, vai.
Got bombs now?
We too smart to get jumped.
This is
Zão.
fuck you. Man, bullshit.
Callow motherfuckers.
Man, pop me and get it over with.
Dumbass baby G.
Man, clap these fools.
Come on, little homie. Let's
Vou na
do
frente.
this.
Vai.
Shit, we on our way.
Man, I don't want your clumsy ass falling down these stairs, fool. They was a safety hazard before blood got spilled all over the place.
Sai daí, Lamar.
This Chamberlain gangster family's here.
Com a espingarda, vai.
Let's do this.
Send him back. Snitch. Fuck you. You ugly motherfucker.
Ó o grito. Ah, ketchup.
Ain't no time to chill.
Here again? Bang this motherfucker!
We ain't gonna run, fuck that! Get out!
Man, ain't hard for you, homie!
Eu acho que a pilha de dinheiro aqui, ela vai ver.
Fire him up! That's a nasty ass shot.
Nossa.
You see that shit?
Tá pegando fogo, bicho.
Man! Alright, we gotta go then!
Never trust a baller, homie!
Never trust you is the lesson I'm taking away from this shit.
It's like 2 more of them left. Bust them fools.
Man, fuck me and get it over with.
You go first. Stay after.
Os balas estão indo ainda.
You ain't creeping on us.
Man, clap these fools! I'm finna show you how an OG handle his shit.
That's something I don't need to see.
Shit, sorry. Cops is here. They got my number, man. Go ahead.
Stay down. Never fucking learn.
I'm right behind.
Atiramos, matamos tudo. Nossa, cara.
The slow nigga get shot. Come on.
There's the fire door.
Through the fire exit. Come on.
A polícia, velho.
These motherfuckers on the sky, dog.
RC and I gonna cause us some trouble. Clap them, homie. Hey, there's a ladder over here.
Nossa, cara.
We're going down. Chopper has been in.
Engraçado.
Don't get tetanus or some shit, homie. We almost out of here.
Corra, corra. A polícia vem aí.
Shit. Up here.
Corre!
I wasn't here. I wasn't even in this state.
What was your daddy drinking when he skeet you out? Man, I don't get the cop mentality.
Perseguição policial.
You gonna lose him or what?
Eu sei como despistar ele.
I wish I was in jail, not running with you, fool.
You the new kind of hook,
Be
motherfucker.
careful, Mark. Nothing righteous about this shit, acting like big ball.
Vai da frente!
You just picked me up on the side of the road. That's the story, dig? Keep them rollers open.
Aqui, ó. Despistar.
You'll get PC'd up
Bom,
with a pen, nigga.
aqui, ó. Aqui eu não acho.
This ain't got nothing to do with me, homie.
Segue faixa.
I ain't catching this.
É só sossegar o faixa.
What the cops care about us getting away? Any of them getting away and they mine, homie.
Tamo aí, ô Lamar.
That's it. We lost him. Now take
Pistamos já.
Get it in, homie.
I'm driving back to my crib, man, all right?
Pistamos a polícia lá.
Hey, what the hell you walked me into back there?
Shit, man, you the one popped his ass.
I
Você
did
apagou
the
o cara.
necessary.
Yeah, thank you for that,
Yeah.
dog.
This all on you, LD, lanky dumbass.
Me? Hey, I ain't know the fools was gonna roll on us.
If you started something with the ballers,
Eu não
shit,
sabia.
I don't care if you CGF for life, man. You done. Done, you dig?
Actually, we ain't CGL for life,
não
because all that
é
means we
velha,
giving you
porque
money
isso
for
só
nothing.
significa que
We
tá
got
aqui por
our
nada.
own shit now, homie, foreign gangsters.
Oh, no, he don't
Ó,
mean that,
dirigível
low.
lá.
F just talking outside his neck.
É, eu falando merda, tá.
Here we are, man. You gonna hang with your auntie while the men break it off.
Shut the fuck up.
Cala a
Hell
boca,
no,
caralho.
nigga. You sounding more and more like a sneaky-eye itch every day.
Pra
Hell,
cuida
nigga, I
lá.
sound like somebody trying to make some
Tomar pra
paper and
alguém
not
que
get
quer ganhar uma
killed.
grana sem
He's
ser
a
morto.
hook-ass nigga, I told you.
Nigga, go toss a salad, stretch mark ass bitch.
Stretch, seu viado da porra. Stretch, olha lá. Qual que é a Jack do Frank tá?
Ain't that the truth?
A tia Denise tá no telefone. Dormir um pouco, salvar o jogo. A garotinha do papai. Vamos ligar pro Mike dar um rolê.
Oh, you think you the shit, huh? No count asshole.
Hey, Mike, it's me. You doing
Hey,
anything?
Mike.
You want to hang out?
Yeah, sure. That'd be great. We ain't hung out for a while.
Cool, I'll come pick you up.
Foi ser a primeira vez, né? No mesmo carro.
Man, that's dumb luck right there.
Vamos lá, vamos lá.
Okay, let's go.
Ok, let's go. Vamos lá, Mike.
You know I'm down. Just tell me the time and place. I got your back, man. Good to see you, man.
It's good seeing you, man. Socially, I mean.
Yeah, you too, kid. I guess I've
Acho que eu
been kind
nem
of
sozinho, Kurt.
You know, I
Eu
mean,
adoro morar.
I love living here, but I never made too many friends. I've been kind of stuck in my head.
I'll get you.
Yeah, you will.
Você vai
Just wait until you're my
chegar na minha
age. You
idade.
got nothing but bad choices and worse choices behind you. And mistakes you haven't made yet, but know you're gonna make ahead of you. Yeah, you'll remember then.
Jesus, sounds heavy. What happened?
My old life.
Minha
I
vida
was
antiga,
living
eu
in the
tava morando no
Midwest.
centro-oeste. Bom,
Up to
você sabe
absolutely
só.
no good. Then Amanda gets pregnant.
Ah, vamos beber pouco.
She gets pregnant again. Suddenly I got 2 kids and I'm running with maniacs.
Ah, tá
I was in
contando a vida
difficult
passada
position.
dele, o Mike.
Had to make some choices.
Frank.
And I did it. Got on with my life. That's that. fuck out!
Judah, the fuck.
Let's go have some drinks. A lot of drinks.
Why, Mike? Ai, ai.
Hey, watch it. Oh, man. I am drunk as fuck.
I hear you, man. Shit. I'm fucking drunk.
Oh, God. My stomach hurts. My kidneys hurt. Hurts. My eyes hurt. I can't feel my arm. I don't like myself here. Alright, this shit ain't fun at all.
Shut up, man. Stop moaning. Shit, you're giving me a headache.
I gotta stop drinking. Maybe I should go to meetings.
Yeah, you should go someplace. Any place but here.
Yeah, screw you. Don't pit. I will not be pitied. You're an irrelevant prick.
Ah, porra, velho. Nossa, cara. Todo tiro, cara.
How about we eyeball some women at a skin joint?
Nossa, cara.
Listen close. If I could teach you one thing, just one thing, you know what that would be? Ah, crap.
Vou abaixar.
Be careful!
Você não passa, cara.
How to plan a job properly? How to stay calm?
How to not regret mistakes. You gotta learn how to move on. Because you will make mistakes. Hurt people, kill people. It happens. It's life. All of life. Not just this life. If you know what I mean. But you gotta move on. That's the greatest skill. Otherwise, you might as well be dead yourself.
And have you moved on?
That I do not know.
Deixar o Michael aqui.
Hey, good hanging out with you, man.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Good to hang out.
What you got for me?
Vamos com uma...
Get off that thing!
You shit, man!
Ah, shit.
I can take care of myself.
Michael. Ah. Legal de assunto o Lester mandou.
Yeah,
Quem é?
who's this?
It's Ricky from Life Invader. I know you're the bro who deactivated Jay, bro.
Oh, I have no idea what you're talking about, pal.
What you do is your business, bro. Anyway, Jay really got a big head once people started calling him a god. Guess you proved he wasn't one. They reintegrated my team in Burundi after the design got signed off. And now, my shares ain't worth dick.
Sorry about that.
I need work, and I thought maybe you could provide. I mean, I'm smart enough to track you down, aren't I?
I guess you are. Hey, I'll be
Já
in
em
touch
contato
if anything
se alguma
comes
coisa
up.
assim. Membro de equipe de golpe Rick Link desbloqueado.
I'm gonna be using your car.
Vamos aqui fazer essa missão com o Michael. Aí galera, já volto. Vamos lá. Ai. Eu acho que eu vou fazer uma missão com o Frank, cara. Sabe, galera? Deixa eu ver aqui. Vamos ver o que é essa missão. Eu fucking. Vamos lá.
Hey, you don't see me driving here?
Hit me up on Live Invader.
Tem Norris coisa. Live Vendor.
What did you want to ask?
That shit is worth its hot breakfast.
Your thighs and belly. Well, you're not nobody.
Opa, que é isso?
What the fuck?
Não, paparazzi.
Give me that motherfucker.
Hey, whoa, back off there, cowboy.
Paparazzi,
I
calma
know
aí,
my
cowboy.
constitutional rights. Anyway, I know you're coming here to suck cock, so it's all right.
What the fuck you talking about?
Wow, hey, look, I saw
Hey.
back loose, man. And, you know, some of those older records of yours, even they sound a little bit closeted, I'm just saying.
What? A black man walking in behind? What you think he Clay PG
Ele é vendido por
bitch ass punk motherfucker.
Seu filho da
Shit,
puta.
man. Oh, hey, I'm sorry, dude. I didn't have my contacts in, you know. I mean, I love black people. Yeah, you know, like I love gangsters. I love
Vamos
like gangster
bandidos,
rap.
olha lá.
Yo, sup?
Man, who gives a fuck if he's gay or not, man? The man is not married. It's
Tá
his
maluco,
business.
cara?
Leave motherfuckers alone.
Well, look, I'm just saying that it's the hypocrisy that I can't stand. You know, I mean, of celebrities. Right? I mean, PG, right? He says he's a killer and a murderer and all that great stuff. And then, what, he loves his mother and likes show tunes. I mean, really, what kind of message is that sending our kids? You know what I'm saying? The guy's a fraud.
But why do you care,
It
man?
is
Because, you know why? Because they all think they're gods, right? Well, fuck them! Fuck them! Fuck them! Fuck them!
Fuck them!
Fuck them! They're not magic! No, they're no better than me. They're no better than me.
Ah, o Frank vai fazer serviço pro paparazzi.
Miranda, I love you, Miranda! Come on! Come on, it's fucking Miranda fucking Cowan!
Man,
She's a fucking megastar!
No, leave me out your shit, man.
Oh, no, we can make local bucks here, man! We get one picture of her hairy legs or her aging
No.
in the money, man! In the money, bro! Come on, man! Come on!
What the fuck is wrong with me?
Vamos lá.
You drive, I'll get the shot!
Vamos lá, paparazzi, então. Pegar as fotos.
Go! Get us right up alongside that limo!
Ah, o carro da Miranda.
Come on, closer!
I heard you the first time, man.
Olha alguma grana, né?
I mean, extra wind!
Tô precisando de grana.
Go! He's got it! Fans have a right to know everything! I don't believe it! She's slamming a speedball in there, man! This is journalistic gold! Open it up, you cow! It's in the
Agora essa missão.
You homewrecker! Man, they don't call her the silicone slattern for nothing! She looks like a bloodhound in a wind tunnel! God, I love her!
Oh, man, no wonder this whole town's in therapy.
I love you, Miranda! Homewrecker!
Limousine, né? Da uma famosa.
We done yet?
No, she still looks too good! I want the prisoner of war shot! That's where the big zeros are!
Tá fugindo, ó.
And again, I will
Bora,
not
bora,
stop until
acelera,
I
pô.
have vagina! Fuck you, Beverly! This one's mine! Oh, no! It's that body heater Madison! Shit, he's getting the money shots! Where's your dignity,
paparazzi,
man?
bom.
Forget Miranda! We can't let him steal my exclusive! Get alongside him! I'll knock the weasel off! Stay on that... Bastard!
Ô, desgraçado!
Can you drive? Crank the gas! Come on!
We might do better if you shut the fuck up.
Whatever you do, do not lose them! He's not taking my glory! Not again!
I heard you the first time, man.
Nossa, preciso melhorar a mira.
Jesus! You didn't have to kill the guy!
Oh, and this is coming from a fool that just tried to knock him off a moving motorcycle?
Well, it's done now! A terrible accident, but life must go on. And I'm already late for my next stakeout. Let's go! Get the hell out of here! Oh shit! It's the cops! Get rid of them!
Calma aí, cara.
There's a small parking lot by the Cafe Redemption courtyard in Morningwood. Drop me there, and you can keep the bike. Because I look after my people.
Look after your people? Man, I know when a ride is hot. If this is your bike, then I'm the fucking po, dog.
Okay, okay. Don't ruin the vibe.
Okay.
I think I got a decent shot of Miranda back there.
So we split what you get the photo 50-50, right?
Yeah, well, I kind of thought the bike would cover your share. I mean, I did do all the work.
Man, I probably shouldn't talk, dog, but this is one fucked up line of work your ass in.
It's about staying true to yourself.
With muff shot?
Miranda Cowan's 39 years old. Just made her day, man. They wanted the tramps. They courted it. It's a beautiful, abusive relationship.
So whose day you making it?
Samantha Maldon. No way!
Oh, de novo?
You idiot!
Esse idiota.
The holy grail of adoption contraband. And this could define my career.
Alright, homie. It's been an education, dog. Look, keep on making the world a better place. You hear me?
Yeah, the public needs to know. The fans deserve answers.
Shit, now that the question is how low is Miranda Cowan's muff hanging, or is she getting banged out by some second-rate director?
They need to know everything. From crow's feet to camel toes. Hey. Come by the manor next week. We'll continue the search for the truth.
Look, don't wait around for me, homie.
Oh, I'm waiting for you, homie.
Beverly. Vou contar. Ah, o imperador do Franklin. Vamos no Ammunition. Treinar. Onde que é, cara? A me rendeu pouco, grana pouca, né? Ah, e agora? Nem todo mundo foi feito para tirar fotos das estrelas, mano. Então eu inscrevi numa competição de fotografia da vida selvagem. Ah, legal, vida selvagem. Aproveita, peixe pequeno. O Beverly. Eu tô numa competição da vida selvagem, né?
Hello, I am busy changing the world right now, so hit me up later. Here comes the beep.
Uma das missões. Botei na tiro ao alvo, né? Você foi indicado para participar da melhor competição de fotografia amadora do sul selvagem. Ah, que da hora. Missão nova, né? Você irá se juntar a outros jovens, talentosos, esperançosos, que não sofrerão de insolação sem envenenar. A mais importante, o primeiro jovem fotógrafo para documentar a fauna completa do sul de Santos. Uma vida de aventuras submarinas o aguarda. Os envolvidos serão sujeitos às seguintes regras: só serão aceitas fotos de animais vivos. Os animais devem estar no centro da foto. Fotografias tiradas usando filtros subortas da câmera não serão aceitas. Selfies não serão aceitos. Todos os direitos de imagem ficam transferidos para o comitê turístico. O sutiã, lista de selo. Animais selvagens a serem fotografados: javali, porter collie, gato, falcão, pica, vaca, coiote, porco, galinha, whisky, porco, uma, poodle, bug, coelho, coisa, rottweiler, coisa. Ah, vou tirar do meu. Crie a sua própria isca, enche as suas glândulas com Feromônios de
I was
puma.
wondering if you'd be back in again. Listening to you
Ah.
and those two friends of yours bantering back and forth. It was
Entende
so
as
cool.
coisas,
It
podemos
was like
esperar
I
pra
was
te
in
ver.
a movie or a music video or something.
Man, what are you
Ímpeto
talking
turístico.
about?
I love the hip hop. P.T. Jackson, MC Clip.
That ain't real hip hop.
No, of course not. I mean, what would I know? I barely exist outside this store.
O que você tá falando, cara?
Damn, that was all right.
Eu tenho que aprender a tirar a mira, o Frank aqui. Vamos lá aprender as habilidades de arma do Frank. É conselho do Michael. Vamos aqui, galera. Zona de ponto. Vamos ver pistola. Começar com o básico. Desafio 1. Concluiu, vamos ver. Pistola nível 1. Depois eu ligo. Bronze. Nossa. Tem que aumentar as habilidades de tiro do Frank. Deu me livre. Fracassou. Ah, puta que pariu, cara. Nossa, cara. Vou sair. Tá bom, acho. Pera aí, galera. Vamos continuar aqui. Continuar aqui. Ah,
Your life must be so exciting.
Say again?
I can't even imagine. Gang signs, initiations, dropping homies, ready to bleed for the hood. Live fast, die young. Respect.
Man, what are you talking about? You don't know me.
Oh no, I didn't mean any offense. It's
oh
just
no.
My life is so dull. I still haven't moved out of my parents' place. Anyway, I'll just be quiet.
Fica quieto aí, tu vai ver, quieto. Chamar a polícia.
Hello, this is 911. What emergency service do you require? Thank you.
Vai.
Police officers are en route to your current location.
A polícia vai vir aqui, ó. Nossa, lá. Ah lá, tá vendo? Vamos cair fora daqui. Vamos pro Mike.
At least it's legal.
Yeah, it's like totally sort of legal.
Tá levando o time aqui. Michael. Vou fazer uma minha ação pro Leste. Vamos lá. Ah, shit. Tá chovendo Los Santos. Vamos lá. Oh shit.
Anyone want to pour Daddy a whiskey? No?
Como tira os óculos do Michael? Vamos fazer aquela missão principal. Fazer a missão do Lester. Puta que pariu, meu carro tá tudo ponto eterno, cara. Vamos com essa roupa clássica do Michael. Vamos fazer o golpe aqui. Martin Madrazo até tá doido atrás de mim.
Don't touch me!
Oh, não me
You don't
toque.
have to call to tell me that.
Not you! The Dieter sex store detective! There's been a misunderstanding. I need you to help clear it up.
Oh,
Oh,
now
agora
you
você.
want me. All right, I'm coming.
The one phone call rule is for real policemen. You worthless turd!
Vamos livrar a cara da minha Amanda.
Now she needs me.
Agora precisa de mim. Ela trai o Michael, agora vai chamar ajuda.
I told you, she's a biter. That's assault on top of the shop. Look at me. Man, paperwork. What you packing? You know, standard LSPD.
Invasão de fogo.
Sweet. I gotta get some hardware. The store detective's a detective, you know. Kinda. No, for real.
A Amanda tá presa.
Biter. I'm good. Hey, hey! Stop right now!
All right, let's go! Let's go!
Nossa, cara.
Chill out. It's under control.
Eu vou pegar o carro da polícia.
Drive! Michael!
Don't worry. I know what I'm doing.
3 estrelas! Ah não, isso é um trabalho pra eu voltar aqui nos trilhos do trem.
The cops are still after us!
I'm on top of it.
Let's go, Michael!
Don't worry. I know what I'm doing.
Get us out of here!
Nossa!
Chill out. It's under control.
Go, 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 go!
Don't worry. I know what I'm doing.
Come on, come on! Come on!
Calma aí, Amanda.
Relax. I got this.
Shit! They're still on us!
Don't worry. I know what I'm doing.
Calma aí, cara. Você... A esposa do Marco também não dá uma trela.
Not want to go to prison.
I'm on top of it.
Vou pro mesmo local aqui, desviar.
Hello? No seatbelt.
Puta que me pariu.
You trying to kill me back here?
Reclama.
There's no point in losing the cops if I'm dead in the back seat. If I'm dead in the back seat.
Você fala demais, Amanda.
Is that it? Are they gone?
Pega a Amanda pra cá.
Who are you talking to? Come on, I'll take you back to the house.
Don't say it.
What?
That I have everything I want, so why am I stealing?
Oh, my lips are
Amanda.
sealed.
Because if you say that, I'll say the same to you.
I'm not saying anything. I'm just doing my best to keep us out of jail.
Can we drive home, please? I mean, who are you to judge me?
Oh, I'm not judging? No, not at all.
You're loving this, aren't you?
Oh, yeah. Risking prison, getting shot at. Love, big love.
Are we going home? So this is what it's like to be you.
Not really, honey.
Oh,
See,
amor.
I'm a semi-successful crook. You're a bit of a failure, but hey, kudos for trying.
Not that successful if you're in witness
Tamo aí com o carro de
protection.
polícia.
Well, I got an idea. Why don't we see what Agent Dave and the FIB think of this Lovers on the Run act?
Where are you going?
You know, I'm sort of thankful for this.
Thankful? This is the worst day of my life.
Ah, come on, you're doing your part. Your spending habits got us into a sticky
Nossa,
financial
financeiro
situation,
complicado, agora
so
você
you're
tá
cutting
procurando a
corners.
paga.
Really? My spending habits? I've seen your day trader account.
Consumistas, ó lá.
Oh, hey, that's private. I swear, password protection, it ain't even sacred no more.
Give it up. You pissed our savings down the
Nossa, poupança
toilet.
pelo ralo.
Really? Our savings?
Yeah, our savings. I gave up everything to start this life with you, you selfish shit. You selfish shit.
Yeah, okay, all right, whatever. Our savings.
Oh,
It's
wait.
just, look, you can't look at the day-by-day figures. You gotta look at the overall, the net figure.
I've seen the net. It's a fucking disgrace.
Hey, I'm bringing it around.
Eu estou
Sure you
resolvendo.
are. Just please give me some warning before they repossess.
Tomar a
It
casa.
ain't that bad.
Couple of weeks. A day even. I don't want to be there.
Honey, we're fine.
Sure.
Ah,
Get rid
está.
of the car, Michael. It can't stay in the driveway.
Não dá pra estacionar
and-
na frente. Ah, sim.
Yeah.
Oh, legal.
Thank you.
Missão cumprida, né? Bom, galera, não sei. Eu acho que eu vou terminar por aqui. Ia fazer a missão do Leste, mas deixar para o próximo episódio. Vamos ver o que o Frank tá fazendo. É num beco. Vamos ver a interatividade agora.
Man, that bitch is so lazy.
Ah, o carro do Frank.
I gotta train your ass to use the John, Chop. That's a big ass pile of shit.
Vamos dar um passeio, tchau.
Right, Chop. You just gonna mope, is you, Chop? Come on, Chop. Let's go.
Vamos lá, Chop. Let's go.
Get in, boy.
Primeira vez vamos dar um passeio com o Chop. Ó que legal.
Hey, that's dumb luck right there.
Ó o Chop.
What the fuck?
Aqui é o bairro perigoso, ó.
Motherfucker.
You motherfucker.
And fuck you.
Damn, I'm a fucking
And you ain't nothing but a punk.
Oh, you know, I'm doing what I gotta do. You got the gas in your tank? I'm gonna go around and
Vem cá com o Chop aqui, você vai ver. Vai lá, Chop.
Get it. Go on. That's a trio, homie.
Vai lá, garoto.
Bring it back, boy.
Ah, um bico aqui.
Good, Chop. Good, Chop.
Vamos tacar num cidadão aqui passando.
Fetch the ball, Chop Chop.
O cara correu.
Alright, man, you cool. Run up on them, Chop. Please. Let's just chat about it.
Que frango que estiver mirando. Ah lá, mordeu. Tem uma grana. Isso aí, Chop.
Hey, what's happening, bro? Get the ball for me, boy. You hood, Chop.
Vamos lá, Chop.
Yo, get in, Chop. My car, asshole. You ain't worth a piece of dog shit.
Vamos ir nesse bairro perigoso.
Fuck you, Trump. You punk-ass family scouts are so obvious. So you keep saying?
Serviço de emergência.
Hello, this is 911. What emergency service do you require?
É o bairro perigoso.
Police officers are en route to your current location.
And people say I'm a disgrace to society. Stupid bitch! Bitch. I'll rip you apart. I'm a fuck you got hands, huh, dog? Yeah, you still think you hard, nigga? Damn.
Estão atirando lá, ó. Direção, Frank.
Sorry about that.
Estão me atirando.
Man, you got off lucky, homie.
Vamos aí, tchau. E onde tá aqui, velho?
We got eyes on the target.
Legal. Nem passa por aqui, ó. O metrô da cidade. Eu sempre me esconder aqui da polícia.
Man, you suck. Now, why don't you go fuck yourself, alright? Oh, you got hands, huh, dog? Man, fuck this shit.
Nossa, cara. Vamos lá, calma aí, ô. Já tem nisso do Frank.
Get out of here, Chop. Back home.
Are you looking for my boy?
Já tem nisso. Bom, galera, eu acho que eu vou me despedindo por aqui. Já tá bom por hoje. A gente continua no próximo episódio. GTA V. Com as missões do esquema do banco. Splash na área. Não, vou excluir isso. Salvar aqui. Desse ponto de partida. A gente continua no próximo episódio, beleza? Então é isso aí, galera. Obrigado por vocês terem acompanhado até aqui. A gente se vê no próximo episódio de GTA V. Valeu!